Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to give you a quick look at my new Enoflow 4-panel solar panel here. Let you know what I think about it, tell you some of the features and overall use cases, and just walk you through everything about it. So first thing about this thing is it's really cool. It's really cool the way it came packaged. I was really impressed when I took it out of the box and just saw how it was packaged and unfolded there. It just unfolds really neat and has a really nice presentation. It does have a case for storage, so I love that. It also comes with a bunch of different adapters, so you can plug it into all kinds of different things. But I plugged it into my power bank to try to charge it up, and it was charging, so it did do the job of charging it, but it's a bigger power bank where it has this little meter on there that shows you the wattage input. It's still only registered pulling in around 40 watts or so. Now, I don't know, that could be a misread from the power bank, or maybe it just happened to be that there wasn't quite enough sun and it needed a little bit more sun to have that full 60 watts. But I did also try it on one of my smaller power banks that's also good for jump starting cars and airing up tires and balls and stuff. And I think that was more of a fair trial. So I plugged that in, even without having full blown bright sun. It still did a good job, and it was able to fully charge it up in a couple hours. So, and one other thing that I would point out that you might want to keep in mind is that the cords it comes with, you typically don't want to leave like your devices out in the sun. So in order to use this thing effectively, what I ended up trying to do was have this like lay out on a rail or somewhere where it can collect the sun, and then put my device under it. So make this create shade for like your phone or whatever you're trying to charge up, just so you don't have the sun beating down on whatever device you're charging. This thing was definitely really cool, and it did ultimately end up doing the job for me. I would say it definitely does a really good job, and I would recommend it for that all day long. All in, I would say this thing is definitely really cool, and I love having it around.